Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Mark from Dezignz here. Now basically what I'm going to do is the pictures that you've seen, I call it a rocket cooker. Not a rocket stove, but a rocket cooker. This you can use with pots and pans, you can grill on it. So basically that's what I'm going to be using this for. Yeah, it needs a lot of cleaning, but I'm busy with all of that now. So on this side here, it's gonna have a flat plate over it. So I'm still deciding where I'm gonna make the hole for the rocket stove to go into. And then then this would be the lid, so you can use it as an oven as well. So it will have hinges over there and there. So yeah, and then chimney would I think the rocket stove would be sitting this side, because I'm going to use that side there for the chimney. And then yeah, so we're going to be doing making that rocket cooker. So it will be an oven and a stove and a griller. So this would be perfect for off the grid living, farmhouses, game farms, even at home. So yeah, so this would be an outdoor kitchen. So yeah, so I hope you guys will like this. Thanks. Cheers.